Have you ever met someone who always seems to be on the verge of tears? Or maybe you've watched a movie that made you cry. There's a perfect word to describe such emotions: lachrymose. The word lachrymose means tending to cry easily or feeling very sad. It comes from the Latin word lacrima, meaning tear. If someone is feeling extremely emotional or is often in tears, they can be described as lachrymose. Let's look at a few synonyms of lachrymose. Tearful, someone who has tears in their eyes. Weepy, someone who cries very often. Mournful, deeply sad, especially due to a loss. Sorrowful, feeling great sadness. Now, let's use lachrymose in a sentence. After watching the emotional movie, she became lachrymose and couldn't stop crying. The old man's lachrymose eyes showed the pain of his past. Sarah is always lachrymose when she talks about her childhood memories. Now that you know the meaning of lachrymose, try using it in your daily conversations. Want to learn more interesting words? Subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive and improve your vocabulary effortlessly.